put your name and text me and everything was there.
Okay.
And tell me, I'm clicking on the page, okay?
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Good luck to you.
Thank
and,
you.
When I get done with all the bullshit, I will definitely lend a hand to you.
Okay.
Definitely.
Awesome.
Yes, pay it forward. Thank you.
So we're eligible.
Well, and you had the wheels